I don't have much of an on foot this video. It is what it is. I just don't have much of an on foot. I'm trying to stagger these videos out creatively, so it's a little difficult trying not to be redundant, if that makes any sense to you filmmakers out there. So I've got the shoes. Here's the shoe. All right. We just took a few more photos, but Comac's stomach is hurting right now. When it's night like this, you just got to work with whatever light that you have. You know what I'm saying? And I actually like that. I like the challenge. It's fun. My feet are tired. I think the on foots are going to come out all right. I don't know at this point, but I think we'll be all right. And happy 4th if you're into that kind of thing.
Everybody who made it this far, please like, subscribe, tell a friend. Much love, guys. We made it to the middle of the year. Let's keep pushing.
What he said.
It looked just like a Phantom. No, it looked like a Chrysler 300.
You know what I'm saying? Sound like a couple lovely ladies. What we doing? You know what I'm saying? Sound like a couple lovely ladies. What we doing?
You are new?
Yeah, I'm new. I'm new. I need some new shoes.
You know, I never get tired of that IG Live clip. That was one of the funnest IG Lives I've ever done, so make sure you follow me on IG. So let's go ahead and talk about the Air Jordan 3 J Balvin, and this is the third collaboration. It's kind of funny they use a Jordan 3, and this is the first one they use. This is the box and all that stuff. Not as fancy as this box. And this is J Balvin. If you're not familiar with him, I think he's from Colombia. Yes, I'm sure he is from Colombia based on the theme of the box. And here's the one again. People hated it. Here's the two. The two was all right. The two's my least favorite. It had the lights on and all that stuff. I know that kind of made it cooler, but I got a smaller size. Like a 9.5 did not work with me. So I just got rid of the shoe and moved on with life. Those had the most tricks. The twos had the most tricks, but everybody hated the ones. I love the ones. Everybody hated them. But now we have the 3, and looking at the box, that little smiley face kind of reminds me of some Travis. What does that say there? A sunset always reminds me of a new day full of opportunity is coming. Okay. And these are going to retail for $250 when they drop on September 2nd of 2023. Got some purple elephant print on the box there. And what else does that say? It says Ontiano de Opportunity. I don't know what it says, but I'm sure it says when the sunset rises, you got some more opportunities. That's basically what he was going for with that. And it's nice because, you know, Nike sits down with you and they say, hey, what are some of your influences? You know, what do you want to, you know, they just kind of throw stuff on the shoe. But I think it looks cool. The paper looks cool. It kind of gradients down to a deeper red, just like a sunset. Even though they sort of already done like a sunset theme Air Jordan 1, which I actually did like. But anyway, back to the 3. I really wasn't aware of the sneaker till Russ sent me something on Instagram, and I was like, you know, those are pretty cool. And this year has been the year for the 3s. We still haven't got the black cement 3s reimagined. I know they're coming one day, but we've got a lot of 3s, and I've ended up picking up most of them by retail. This pair right here, I know I'm probably not going to have the best luck, but these look so good. Shout out to VJ. I don't think I'm going to go too crazy if I don't hit on them or end up with a pair retail. Like, this pair looks just fine. They looked amazing on foot, and they're really, really comfortable. And at this point, it is confirmed that 3s are way more comfortable than 4s, probably 2s. And I would say some of the Air Jordan 1s. Like, Air Jordan 1s are starting to feel kind of weird on my feet. That's why I'm getting rid of so many of these. If you don't know about that, follow me on IG. I'm getting rid of my Jordan 1 collection, and I'm trying to get it down to like about 5 pairs of Jordan 1s. But look at the bottoms on these. I was like, whoa. I haven't seen such a clear, crispy, vibrant, clear sole on a 3 probably ever. I never got those Jordans with the stripe on the bottom. And I was thinking that these look like the Alma Manières. They were kind of reminding me with the gray on the upper, but these are, and you see what I mean. You guys see where I was going with this. They kind of look like the Alma Manières. Not really, but in some aspects. But back to this bottom, I was like, okay, that's definitely going to be glow in the dark. And to my surprise, it's not. And I was like, really? So I sat there, played with it for a while. When I go to the black light, we'll confirm it. But I was just shocked. They don't glow. Like the 2s glowed. And these ones don't. I just don't understand. More smiley face. That really reminds me of like the Travis smiley face, sometimes unsmiley face. But if I had to rate these shoes, guys, I would probably give them a 9, maybe 9.2. They're really, really nice. The concept was executed really, really well. This is, without a doubt, the best pair out of the trilogy. Even though I still like the ones. I don't care what you guys say about the ones. I love the ones. But just kind of pointing out the shape of the elephant print. It's getting better and better. It's really, really nice. Oh, we got some more sunset-themed insoles. This was pretty cool. They always put the cool stuff on the stuff you're never, ever going to see. And I wonder how this is going to fade over time. But that looks pretty cool. You got to put them together to get the full sunset. And I've never been to Medellín. Anybody that's watching this video ever been to Medellín? I'm not even going to say his name, who I'm thinking about. Watch Narcos Season 1 if you want to know what I'm talking about. But the insides of the shoe, it's like this oatmeal off-whitish color. And they also put this like yellow piping kind of reminiscent of the Union 1. Where's the Union 1 at? Come on. There it is. See? Well, that's more of like a golden dingy. But you guys see what I was, you see where I was going with that. They kind of copied a little bit. That's what Nike does. They just kind of grab stuff from here. They grab stuff from there. They throw it together. And they got another silhouette to sell out. What do we got? Nothing. I'm not surprised. I mean, usually the stuff that comes from VJ, it's pretty solid. He also sent me the that Alma Manière 3 that I just pulled out. VJ sent those as well, and those were without a doubt amazing sneakers as well. I mean, I just love them. All the 3s I'm getting from VJ, they're dope. So I hope you guys hit on these when they drop on September 2nd, tentatively. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. That's where you can kind of talk with me a little bit. And that's it, guys. I'm out. Peace, love, and light. 1.